Hi, I'm Jennifer Anderson. I'm a Scentsy Superstar Director, and I just got May's WhiffBox in. So I wanted to open it with you and show you what's inside. Top secret reveal. In case you've never seen our Scentsy WhiffBoxes before, it's basically a custom curated surprise box, and you can get it every month, or every other month, or every 3 months. You really get to choose. Or if you just want to order it a la carte whenever you want, you can do that too. We change our Whiff box every single month. It has totally new surprises inside. It's a different theme, and our Whiff box is $30. 30 US dollars, and it's usually $35 or more worth of product. So it's really fun. You get full-size products and samples. So you ready to see what's inside? Here we go. So I just got this in, and this month we just launched our new summer collection, and this box, I think I heard, is full of summer collection stuff, and it like just launched to the public. So this is a cool way to get a nice sampler of what's going on in the summer. So when you open it, you can see, first of all, this is totally a gift-worthy box. Send with love on the inside, and it comes with this cute little insert. So it says, bring on summer. Look how precious. And inside, oh, look how cute. Drink markers. These are all fun little drink tags. So you can actually cut these out, put the person's name on it, and it has all these wicked cute Scentsy patterns. So I'm kind of loving that. It says, bring on summer. Adorable drink markers by the summer 2021 summer collection fragrances, and you'll have no problem telling drinks apart at your next dinner party or get together. So you get 10 different drink markers here. Super cute. So every month in the Whiff box, they always include some kind of fun little paper craft or game or idea or something great to do, and it's just kind of a fun little extra added bonus. So sneak peek, here is what's inside our Whiff box. So I'll tell you, first things first, I have 2 full-size Scentsy bars. So as you can see, the first one I have is mandarin and mango nectar. And the second one is coconut daiquiri. Now these fragrances are actually not in our spring and summer catalog. You cannot get these most of the year, and you couldn't get them before yesterday, really. So they just launched with our summer collection, which is a limited time collection. Once it's gone, it's gone. But the cool thing about these is that if you like any of the scents from the summer collection, you can actually add them to your Scentsy club, and Scentsy will make them for you forever. So in case you didn't know about Scentsy Club, it's this cool sort of subscription program where you can have your favorites auto shipped to you. And if there's a scent, a wax bar that goes in there that we discontinue or stop making, as long as you keep it in your club, Scentsy will make it for you forever. So that's like a huge perk. It's called Always Get My Bar. So let's tackle these and see how great these are. So the first things first, let's smell coconut daiquiri. Coconut daiquiri is a tropical blend of coconut, milk, banana, and vanilla cream. And I really, really do like this. And I'm normally not like a tropical drink kind of fragrance kind of person, but there's something very subtle about this, and there's more banana in this than I anticipated, but it's really good. And I honestly do not like banana in scents. Definitely get the banana. The coconut is super creamy. It's not like that tart tropical coconut. It's very, very creamy. And honestly, that could be the vanilla cream in it. I cannot wait to warm this. In case you didn't know, you can actually pop the entire Scentsy bar out of the clamshell. This is called the clamshell. Smell the back of it and the front, and you'll get a really nice idea for the true fragrance. Really good. I love this. Super good. Okay, the other Scentsy bar in the Whiff box is the mandarin and mango nectar. Mandarin and mango nectar is a medley of juicy mandarin, mango nectar, and peach puree. Super fruity, totally fruity. Juicy mandarin. When it says juicy mandarin, it's almost like you can smell the juice. Like you can smell how juicy this fragrance is. And I totally get that peach puree makes it a little extra sweet on the end, because mandarin on its own can be maybe a little tart, but the peach and the mango really, really make this a well-rounded scent. Super fruity, but again, kind of soft. It's not like an in-your-face citrus fragrance at all. I'm feeling like this is just gonna be good. Like, I'm thinking entryway of my house for this scent right here. Okay, so 2 full-size wax bars. We're already at $12 in value. The next thing is hand soap, blue agave and melon. Look how cute this packaging is, by the way. So this is a completely new design, completely new fragrance that was not available, that isn't available outside of the summer collection. So this scent also does come in wax, by the way, but blue agave and melon. It's blue agave, honeydew melon, and kiwi. If that doesn't sound like the perfect summer scent, then I don't even know what. And for hand soap, especially to be kind of that like clean and fresh. Oh, now, I don't know if you can see here, but this is actually a gorgeous blue color. So if you're like me, I actually take these hand soaps and I like to put them in glass jars. I actually just got some glass hand soap dispensers from Target, and I put them in there in this beautiful blue color. It's honestly like this gorgeous blue. This beautiful blue color is the color of the hand soap, and I can't wait to put that on my kitchen counter. So let's talk about the scent, blue agave and melon. Ultra fresh, ultra fresh. And sometimes melon can be kind of off-putting to people, kind of throwback to that early 90s, mid 90s cucumber melon from Bath and Body Works. Do you guys remember that scent? I might be dating myself, but that's an old scent. And sometimes that scent can be off-putting for my customers, I've noticed. But the melon in here is good. It's fruity and gentle, but the blue agave really makes it so fresh and clean. I'm really digging this, and I'm thinking that I can't wait to get this in the wax too. So pretty cool. Hand soap, blue agave and melon. So this and these 2 things, we're already up to 18 bucks, okay? $18 in value. Then I'm so excited. Fragrance flower. So there's a fragrance flower in this WhiffBox, and these are $16. So that's a $34 value already of full-size Scentsy products. And this scent is, I believe, the last new fragrance from our summer collection this year, Fiji flower. Yes, it is. Okay, let me open this with you so you can see what our fragrance flower is. So fragrance flowers, if you want fragrance but you don't have an outlet, don't have a plug, or you just want something small, this is exactly what you need, okay? So it comes with this vial of oil, this decorative cap, which I'm gonna actually put it together with you right here and show you how it comes on. And then in this box is your actual flower. Look at how, guys, did you see this too? Like completely, perfectly gift-ready packaging. Gift ready. It's adorable. You just need to throw a little ribbon on it or raffia and give it away as a gift. So this is inside this box. You have your fragrance flower. This is handmade from Sola wood, and there's a wick on the bottom. So I'm gonna pull this out and show you. This wick is absorbent, and so are these petals right here. So what happens is we're gonna stick this inside the fragrance oil. It's gonna absorb the oil up through the wick into the flower petals, and it's gonna give off scent. So I like to put this on my entryway table as soon as you walk in my house. I like to put this on the backs of every toilet in my house too. Bedside table, coffee table, nightstand, anywhere in your kitchen, anywhere you just want something pretty and also a little bit scented, this is the perfect thing for that. So this is fragrance oil. This will last you up to 60 days. So this is gonna be 60 days worth of fragrance. The retail price on this is $16. So this is Fiji flower, if you can see there. Fiji flower is pink plumeria, pear blossom, and apple. So when you pop open the top, there's a little seal right there just to kind of make sure it's nice and safe in shipping. So you just take off The seal, yum. This smells so gorgeous. Ooh. This is so delicate and girly, and this is a really beautiful floral fragrance in a way that's also a tad sweet. That apple kind of sweetens it on the end, which is honestly a really nice touch because floral fragrances can be what I call very heady, like they can be very up here, but the apple, again, makes it a nice well-rounded fragrance and brings a little bit of sweetness. So you put the decorative cap on just like that, fragrance flower into the oil. Look at how precious that is. Isn't that cute? So you can really put this anywhere that you want, just a little burst of fragrance and something adorable. And this is totally going to go in my master bathroom because I think this is like a nice girly floral pretty fragrance. If you like Luna, if you like Amazon Rain, if you like the new scent of the month, Palm Trees and Ocean Breeze, if you like any of those, you're going to love this. Even if the apple is so good, it almost has like a pineapple kind of vibe to me too. Like a more grown-up romantic sort of pineapple kind of vibe. So this is adorable. So this month's WhiffBox has $34 in full-size retail value products. And there's a couple other surprises in here. So every time you get a WhiffBox, you always get, this is called a fragrance cup. You get a fragrance cup sample of the next month's new scent that hasn't even been released yet. So that's kind of a perk of getting a WhiffBox. So this is a fragrance cup of the Appealing Apple scent. Pretty red color. And this will be June's scent of the month. So I haven't even smelled this before. This wax cup is huge, by the way. Okay, if you look at it compared to the wax bars, it's a really good chunk. I say it's about 3 cubes worth of wax. So that's like $2 value right there. Okay. So you just pull open the top. And if you want, you can pop out this whole entire thing into your warmer, or you can cut it in half and put it in your minis. Ooh, apple. Interesting. Okay, I almost get like an apple flower sort of vibe from this. So we have a scent called Johnny Appleseed, which is straight up red, crisp, beautiful apple. This Appealing Apple, it's more floral. It's a little bit brighter than Johnny Appleseed. I definitely get red, both red and green apples, but I get something kind of floral, like a little bit of a white floral, which might be kind of fun for summer because Johnny Appleseed to me feels very fall, like that crisp fall apple. So this is kind of a good summer take on apples. So that I think this will be really good. Appealing Apple right here. Okay. That comes in a WhiffBox. And then last but not least, there are 2 huge samples of pink cotton washer whiffs. Pink cotton washer whiffs. This is enough for a large load. So you're getting 2 loads worth of washer whiffs. If you don't know what these are scent crystals. You toss them into the drum with your laundry. They dissolve in the water and scent up your sheets, your towels, your clothes, whatever you've got going on. And these are at least $1 a piece. So we're looking at $38 worth of stuff in this month's WhiffBox. It's only $30 and it is while supplies last only, and it is new exclusive summer fragrances. So all in all, highly recommend, really great value, fun variety, something different in this month's WhiffBox. Go get you one. You can get it right at my website, discoverscents.com. See you guys next time.